It's a beautiful day. Hey, 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 hey. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Hey, 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 hey. It's a beautiful day.
The Pilbara. We've got it covered for today's episode of Our Town. Karratha, Port Hedland and Pannawonica is where our Pilbara focus will take us as we look at why people should visit, live, work, play and invest in one of Australia's most important regions. Karratha is our first stop as we feature a company playing a key role in the development of local people here in the Pilbara. Australian gas producer and the pioneer of the LNG industry in this country, Woodside's global portfolio is recognised for its world-class capabilities as an integrated upstream supplier of energy. For more than 30 years, Woodside have been putting back into the community, providing support to its host communities and the organisations in which it partners. And it's this support that has gone a long way in helping secure its Karratha operations for many decades to come. The heart and soul of Woodside's operations are right here in the Pilbara, and it's the people of this region who continue to play a key role in the company's future and its growth story. A partnership between Woodside and Programmed highlights an ongoing commitment to the local community, a commitment that continues to provide solid career pathways for people who live in the Karratha region. This year, Woodside welcomed its largest ever intake of apprentices and trainees at its Karratha gas plant. 58 people, all local residents, and to put that into perspective, it's more than double the intake from 2017. In working with group training organisation Programmed, who recruit, deploy, manage and provide ongoing support to its apprentices and trainees, Woodside's role in this partnership is to provide the on-the-job training, coaching and supervision at its Karratha operations.
Programmed and Woodside have been working together for over 2 decades here in Karratha, with our current workforce being 97% local residents. These programs provide opportunities for young residents to enter in the oil and gas industry through apprenticeships and traineeships. It's all about providing career opportunities for the young people of the region and supporting the community in which we operate.
I'm currently a third-year mechanical fitter at Woodside. I've always had an interest in mechanical fitting since a young age, and that was mainly because of my dad. He's also a mechanical fitter and has had a large impact on my growing up. When I was 16, I applied for an apprenticeship with Woodside. This has given me the opportunity to work onshore at Karratha Gas Plant along with offshore assets. What I love about my job is that I can walk into work one day and be doing small machining tasks, and the next I can be doing major overhauls on a pump or a power turbine which are used to produce power for the whole plant. In the future I would love to work offshore, and with this apprenticeship it will open up further pathways such as study, like engineering, that I'm really interested in. The opportunities are endless.
I'm a second-year apprentice at Woodside and I'm from Wickham, Western Australia. My old man works for Woodside. He was doing a traineeship out there through Pathways program. He kind of pushed me towards doing more of an apprenticeship than a traineeship. We have trainers at TAFE and we also have trainers on site, and they talk together as well just to make sure there's continuity in our training. Halfway through my apprenticeship at this stage, I was given a great opportunity by Woodside to do something that I'm really passionate about. So I'm just looking forward to upskilling, as there's endless opportunities through the company. Just seeing where my career takes me.
Further testament to the success of this program is that many of the apprentices and trainees that have come through the training academy are now leaders within the company and are mentoring new recruits coming through.
I started with Woodside in 2007 as what I thought was the oldest apprentice in the world. I was looking for a technical challenge, so from what I used to do before, it was a huge leap out of my comfort zone, and it's been a real adventure for me in terms of the technical learning in the classroom and then the on-shift experience with very experienced oil and gas operators. Then I got the opportunity to return to the launch pad, so I've come back to the academy where it all began, and I'm now leading the team of trainers. The real focus for us in the academy is to make sure that we develop that competence and capability, because our future is in their hands. And seeing the new apprentices and trainees coming through, different ages, backgrounds, skill sets, and it all comes together, they gel as a team, and then off they go. And it's exciting to see that adventure beginning for them, which means it's an adventure for us too.
Woodside, on behalf of the North West Shelf project, has invested $10 million over 10 years in local high schools. And over this period, we've seen some improved education outcomes, improved graduation rates, really supporting that education to employment pathway that's so critical for our operations. We've got a really great cohort of local talent, 50% female, 50% Indigenous, and it's really these trainees and apprentices who are here with us today that are going to be a great support for our growth plans. The trainees of today will be our leaders tomorrow.
It's a beautiful day.
It goes without saying just how important the mining and resources industry is to Australia. Ongoing strong investment in the sector across all commodities means more employment opportunities throughout the country, not just in getting the dirt out of the ground, but in the key services that support an industry which defines Australia's economic growth story. In March 2016, mining powerhouse Rio Tinto announced a decade-long partnership with integrated facilities management services provider Sodexo for its extensive Pilbara mining operations. From Sodexo's point of view, it was the largest contract of its kind and demonstrated a major step forward for the company in the services they supply here in Western Australia alone. One place where we can see Sodexo's integrated approach in full action is the town of Pannawonica, where Sodexo supports one of Rio Tinto's key mining operations in the Pilbara. Pannawonica is home to fly-in, fly-out workers who work at the nearby mining operations, as well as permanent residents and their families who call this Pilbara town home full-time. Pannawonica currently has a residential population of approximately 700 people. Sodexo has 100 employees working in the town, 36% who are residents, providing and managing all of the town's services, including the running of the supermarket, swimming pool, cafe, post office and the tavern, all part of the company's role to enhance the quality of life to those who work in the Pilbara's challenging conditions.
Pannawonica's been here for about 40 years. Sodexo came in 2016. We started a pretty exciting partnership with Rio Tinto, and our main aim is to provide services to the town, improving the quality of life for the residents here, and that's providing a multitude of services. So quality of life, that's putting the consumer at the centre of everything we do and really enhancing the everyday experience for them.
There's no doubt that the people who work for Sodexo are the company's best asset, employed in numerous and varied roles. At Pannawonica, there's a real mix of cultures working across the town's operations, some FIFO, some residential, and it's the quality of these people who have helped make Sodexo the successful company it is today.
I'm Dee Clayson. I'm the retail manager for Sodexo in Pannawonica. As the retail manager, I'm overseeing the supermarket, the tavern, the cafe, the service station, the drive-in and the post office. So as we are a small town, we require all those types of departments here for all the community. I feel Pannawonica is a great little town to live in. We've got a really, really good community here. It's a really rewarding job working with Sodexo. Since I started with them 3 years ago, I've done many different roles and thoroughly enjoyed it. So it's great that Sodexo are actually here in Pannawonica, and I've got given the opportunity to work for Sodexo and live in this wonderful town.
My name's Craig Coleman. I work for Sodexo. I'm a grounds person. A little under 2 years ago, Sodexo had an Indigenous training program they were doing. I applied for this program and went through TAFE for several months, getting training to come up here to the Pilbara. I was happy to work in grounds, and since then I developed my passion. It's a good experience, especially at my period of life, I suppose. I think one of the best things that stands out in my job is the people. The community is very supportive, which makes my job very easy.
I moved here from Armidale, Perth, and lived here for the past 15 years. It was comfortable here to do my apprenticeship because it is my hometown, and Sodexo has supported me the whole way through. One of their key themes is professional development, so it comes just daily. So the people you work with giving you new skills, showing you, just giving the time of day to actually teach you something. I've been able to work in the commercial kitchen up here, as well as the a la carte kitchen in the tavern. That has given me experience in both fields, and this has taught me how other kitchens work, which is the joy of working with Sodexo, because it can take me anywhere in the world.
We're very proud of the role that we play in Panawanika, serving the local community, of which we are part. Obviously, we've got employees that actually live and work here, and we're looking to increase that, so we become more and more a part of the community. Very, very happy with our partnership with Rio Tinto. It's very exciting. And as we move forward, that can only go from strength to strength as far as we're concerned.
It's a beautiful day.
It was just over a decade ago that a new partnership was formed, a partnership between one of China's biggest companies and Australia right here in the mineral-rich Pilbara. The Sino Iron Project was and still is CITIC Pacific Mining's biggest venture to date, situated around 100 kilometres out of Karratha. And now in 2019, thanks to the ongoing hard work of the operation's employees and everyone behind the scenes that makes this operation tick, the value and potential of Sino Iron is now there for all to see. Sino Iron is Australia's largest magnetite operation, and it delivers substantial benefits to the Pilbara and Western Australia, and is a project of national significance. Providing a long-term and stable source of high-grade iron ore concentrate to Asia's steel mills, Sino Iron is a fully integrated mining, processing and port operation. And over the life of the project, will deliver more than $100 billion in export earnings alone, plus $5 billion in royalty revenue. And let's not forget that the operation will deliver an additional $51 billion spending on goods and services in Western Australia.
I'm Diana Greenup. I'm a senior mining engineer with CITIC Pacific Mining here at Sino Iron. And I look at the mine plan for the next 5 years. What makes Sino Iron unique in the Pilbara is the fact that we mine magnetite ore. It's dark grey in colour and it's very, very hard. And because of this, it needs to be processed for steel making. We mine about 100 million tonnes a year. What I enjoy most about my job is the variety. I love the technical problem solving and I love the people that I work with.
I'm Mark Ren. I'm a mining engineer here at Sino Iron Project. I have been in this project for 4 years. I work with the operation team to plan and schedule mining operations. Sino Iron is unique. It is the largest Chinese overseas investment in resource sector. It combines Australian mining experience with magnetite processing knowledge from China, and we have achieved a world-class project. We have a diverse workforce with mixed cultural background. We get together to celebrate everything. We all work as a team with one goal. I enjoy the challenge and I learn something new every day.
I'm Jessica Zhou. I have been here for 1.5 years, and I'm a production engineer in processing development team. My main job is data analyze and find a problem in the plant and fix it. We take off from the size of a house brick and turn it into very fine concentrate with 65% iron content. It's ideal for steel making. Magnetite ore needs less energy to produce steel. This is important because overseas steel makers are trying to lower their carbon emissions. Demand for magnetite ore is growing. Our investment in process technology will help expand the life of iron ore mining in Pilbara area in the decades to come.
It's been 10 years since we started this project. Today, we have a mega project on a scale that's never been seen before in Australia. We employ over 3,000 people. They come from all walks of life. We have traditional owners that are a big focus for us for employment.
I'm Tyrone Papertop. I'm a dump truck and a dozer operator. I'm a Mullawa boy. I'm married with 5 children. I ended up at Sino Iron. I've got a cousin that was a driller here also a traditional owner of this land, he encouraged me to come up and have a go. I came here pretty new to the industry 3.5 years ago. I operate some of the biggest gear in the world, and I really enjoy my time doing it. I love my job because of the camaraderie, the people you get to meet, and the benefits it brings to me and my family. In the next 10 years, I want to continue to work hard, set me and my family up financially, and continue to enjoy life.
We've dreamed of mining a particular type of iron ore that's never been mined before in the Pilbara, let alone processed or exported. It's the perfect example of what we can achieve by working together.
It's a beautiful day.
In a world of deeper anomalies, complex ore bodies and increasing costs in the resources sector, mining companies are continually seeking solutions to complex analytical challenges. Companies that offer industry experience across the entire resources supply chain. With over 1,000 laboratories and offices, more than 44,000 people in over 100 countries, Intertek have built a reputation as one of the key industry leaders in the mining and resources industry. From grassroots exploration right through to final product shipment, Intertek provides mineral testing, inspection, assurance and certification services to the global mining and resources industry, and have been building strong partnerships with operators in the Pilbara for over a quarter of a century. Across multiple mining commodities, Intertek provides the design, commissioning and operation of customised port and mine site laboratories and sample preparation facilities throughout the Pilbara. And a dedicated project team provides clients with a complete solution for any scale of exploration, mine or port laboratory installation, from concept phase through to contract management. Over recent years, the company has taken on a significant expansion in widening their operations coverage throughout the region. By specialising in both the provision and operation of the latest automated and robotic laboratory systems at its mine sites and port facilities, this improves efficiency, consistency and productivity throughout all operations, allowing clients to solely focus on their core business. The services provided by Intertek support exploration through to production, onto the shipment of the final product, with services including sample preparation and off-site analysis, state-of-the-art automated mine and port site system work with representation both at the load and discharge ports globally. Over 600,000 samples are processed annually in the Pilbara, with the company operating 7 mine site laboratories, and currently have 13 sample preparation and fusion robots in commission, supporting a large number of clients. Intertek is the largest commercial operator of automated robotic laboratory systems in the world, ranging from individual sample preparation cells to fully integrated systems. These purpose-built robotics provide end-to-end sampling and analysis solutions. The advantage of this robotic sampling technology in mineral testing is proven, from both a technical and production aspect. Unparalleled consistency, the exclusion of human error, a comprehensive audit trail, and synchronised process control complement significant safety advantages by removing employees from hazardous materials and eliminating repetitive heavy lifting. In providing and operating the latest in robotic technology, Intertek is well aware that it's the people behind their operations that are integral to providing a seamless service to its clients in the mining and resources sector. Intertek's people are part of the Pilbara community, with approximately 20 residential employees working at the operational sites in Port Hedland, and a further 75 residential and FIFO operating at the company's dedicated mine site laboratories. The Pilbara operations are supported by the Global Minerals team and its analytical laboratory in Perth, enabling the provision of the latest in global technology expertise in mineral assay and testing services, utilising proven scientific methodology.
Intertek have been operating in the Pilbara for over 25 years now, and we're the global leader in robotic laboratory solutions. Our customers' operations are becoming more complex in terms of mining and distribution, and it's our role to help them improve productivity, quality and safety. Mining technology is changing all the time, and as our customers evolve, so will we, and that's what Intertek is all about.
Plenty of Ks covered travelling the Pilbara, putting today's episode together, and some good positive stories coming from the region for sure. You never know where we'll land for the next episode, but you can keep up to date with everything Our Town by following us on our Facebook page. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, where we'll see you somewhere in WA.
It's a beautiful day.